Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to give you some tips on how to organize a kid's closet. I finally got around to purging my 3-year-old's things. We've kept her baby items around, and finally I just decided it was time to let go. It was time to donate, to sell, to get rid of everything. So now she just has the proper sizes of clothing in her closet. I want to show you how I organized it and give you some tips on how to organize your own child's closet, or your own closet if you're a kid yourself. This closet is in my 3-year-old, almost 4-year-old little bee's bedroom. You might remember about this time last year we gave her room a makeover, so I will leave a link to that video in the description box below. We gave it a very white and bright feel with lots of colorful accents. I even made a little DIY dress-up clothes storage hack, so definitely make sure to check out those videos in the description box below to get the full tour. So first of all, I printed out these labels for Little Bee's drawers. I used my Cricut machine to cut the labels. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to make labels like this for a Cricut cut file. So I'm just making pictures of the items that I want Little Bee to put in which drawers. So the top drawer is going to be for underwear, the middle one is going to be for shirts, and the bottom one is going to be for pants. Now, if you're making these for a child that can read, or for if you're a kid and you're making them for yourself, you could just make the words rather than the photos. But for Little Bee, since she's 3 turning 4, she can't read yet, so we're just using some pictures. I also had these beautiful gold hearts that a friend made me out of vinyl, and put some of those in Little Bee's closet as well. I've been using the KonMari method to start folding things for my kids to put in their drawers. So basically you're folding it into thirds like this, and then thirds again, so that you see the pattern of the clothing on the outside. For pants, you're folding them in half like this, and then folding them in either quarters or thirds like this. This is from Marie Kondo's book, Spark Joy. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. And then you're just putting the clothing into the drawers upright, vertically like this, because you can see everything easier. I'm really loving this method rather than the method I used to use where I'm stacking clothing on top of each other. It's really hard to see what is where, and this is also a really easy way for Little Bee to choose her own items because she can easily see everything. So this closet organizer was from Closet Made from Lowe's a few years ago, and I absolutely love it. I wish I would have got it for all of my girls. Another useful tip when you're organizing a closet is to use hangers in all the same color. It just instantly makes a closet look really neat and really organized. These pink hangers are so inexpensive. They were just from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, it makes everything in Bee's closet just look really neat and organized, just from the fact of having the same colors of hangers. I also used bins here in the closet. You guys know I love bins and baskets, so here I'm just using bins to organize blankets, to organize sheets, and then I've just left some of the cuter things out like extra pillows and Little Bee's adorable little slippers, and then again some more fabric bins. This is just for little loose toys that she has. And then up on the very, very top shelf of Bee's closet, I have some things that we only use seasonally, like a humidifier and a heater. Here on the bottom are all her dresses, kind of arranged in color order, and then on the top we have her sweaters and jackets. And then, like I showed you at the very beginning, all the rest of her clothes are in this kind of dresser portion of the closet. I also found this cute little stool at Winners a long time ago so that Bee can hop up on the stool and get her own things. Another tip I want to mention that I'm so glad I did, my mom actually suggested this and I'm so glad we did it, is when we built our home, we painted the interiors of all the closets white. I love that because you can see everything so well, and also if you ever change the color of your bedroom, the closet will match either way. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found these tips useful and this closet organization inspirational. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these ideas and if you have your own tips for closet organization. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.